At its eagerly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9th, Samsung will formally unveil its next-generation foldable phones, putting the company front and center. Important information on the battery life and longevity of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition has already been made public by some interesting leaks before of the major launch. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is proving to be a real powerhouse, starting with the flagship. Leaked information claims that it will have a 4,272 mAh battery that will provide an impressive 40 hours and 28 minutes of use between charges. But its long-term durability is what really sets it apart. The Z Fold 7's battery is meant to last up to 2,000 charging cycles while retaining 80% of its capacity. Even more intriguing, it is anticipated to have a user-replaceable battery, which is uncommon in high-end foldables and will let customers to simply swap it out. Additionally, it has a 2.96 STIR rating for repairability and an IP48 rating for water and dust protection, making it more useful for daily usage and maintenance. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, which offers both style and endurance, is the next in line. With a 4,174 mAh battery, it will have an impressive 42 hours and 4 minutes of battery life, surpassing even the Z Fold 7 in terms of endurance. The Z Flip 7 has a robust battery that can withstand 2,000 charging cycles, just like its larger sister. Along with the same IP48 protection and repairability score, it will also have a user-replaceable battery, demonstrating Samsung's commitment to longevity and performance. Finally, the more affordable model in Samsung's foldable portfolio is the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. With a 3,887 mAh battery that can last up to 37 hours between charges, it may be less expensive, but it still has a lot of power. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.